Okay, so you're going to head over to Canva. You're going to type in planner in the search engine and you're going to find a planner. I chose this one and took out the name just so that way it's, not personalized. Then you're going to go to the full 2020 calendar and click each month. And from each month, you're going to match it up with each link. And I'll do it again for February so that way you can see it a little bit slow down. Okay, so for February, we're going to go to the three dots at the top, go to link, and link that with page 5 because that's where February starts. And you will go ahead and do this process for every single month until every month is complete, like how I have it in December is the last month. And from here, you would just go ahead and save it. So you hit save and download, and all pages, you will go to PDF standard because that's what you'll need to save with all of the hyperlinks connected to it. And once you save everything with all the hyperlinks connected to it, you are now able to actually use or sell your digital planner with the hyperlinks for anybody who might be needing it. I know this helped me out a lot, so I just wanted to show somebody out here because this was gold for me when I first started out. And it's no gatekeeping over here. So make sure you subscribe to my channel so you can get some more Canva tips and any other digital product tips that comes along. Talk to you soon.